up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited. For the first time ever, I'm going to be doing a subscription box unboxing. I've honestly been watching videos like this for years on YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing the summer box from FabFitFun. If you guys don't know what a subscription box is, it's pretty much when these companies ship out to you a big box. In this case, it's seasonal, so every single season you will get a big box of goodies and essentials that you would definitely need from the summertime from really great known brands. So for today's unboxing, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not sponsored. I am not being paid to talk about this. I honestly just want to give my true, honest opinion. Even though they sent me the box, the reaction and pretty much all my opinions on it are all my own. So I do want you to know that I'm always 100% transparent and honest with you guys, especially when it comes to unboxing stuff like this. And to give you details, the seasonal box is available from FabFitFun for $49.99, but they actually gave me a code to give to you guys to get $10 off. I don't make a commission, I don't make any money off of it. It's honestly just for you guys to get $10 off your first box. So if you guys are interested in seeing my entire unboxing of the FabFitFun summer box for 2018, then stay tuned and keep watching. So initially upon opening up the box, you guys have your little magazine, which I'm assuming has all the information on the products, and you have all the goodies wrapped up in here. So the way that it works is that this magazine actually features all the items that are possible to be in this box. And what is amazing about FabFitFun now is that now you can actually customize what's in your box. So you can go on their website and kind of pick and choose between, for example, 2 different makeup palettes, 2 different skincare products. Because I was sent the box, I have no idea what's in it, but I'm still really excited to try it out. And open up the box. Initially, this is what I see. So many goodies! Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pick out kind of the most colorful of them all. This is the first thing that I see in here, and I can already guess what it is. I'm assuming that it's a towel. This is the Summer and Rose Beach Towel, which is probably the #1 essential everybody's gonna need in the summertime. Oh wow, and it's made out of microfiber, so it actually won't stick to sand if you guys go to the beach or something. This is so good because I hate getting sand everywhere. There's 2 different patterns that this can come in. There's like a palm tree one, and then there's a pineapple one, and I got the pineapple one, and I'm so happy. I love pineapples. Oh, I'm obsessed with this color, guys. Okay, this opens up. Hold on, let's see how big this gets. Yeah, wow, guys, this is like humongous. It's huge. This is such a cute beach towel. I really love the design and the colors. And guys, this will be awesome for the gram. You know? Yeah. Guys, the next thing I see here is a makeup palette. It's a Tarte makeup palette. I think it's so crazy that a subscription box costs like $50, yet they put in a palette that is worth $45. This is the Tarte's Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm not even kidding, I wanted this palette so bad. If you guys are not new to my channel, you already know that I'm obsessed with Tarte, and I have so many different Tarte eyeshadows and face palettes and all that kind of stuff. First of all, Tarte packaging, nothing ever beats it. Look at this, look at how it opens up. It has 6 pigmented colors and some cream shades as well. I can see that it has 2 contour shades right here. This is a powder contour and this is a cream contour if you guys are into that. And then it has 4 different highlights up here as well. These are more like bronzy highlights if you like that, and these are the lighter ones if you like that. This is so perfect for me because for the summertime, I like keeping my makeup so simple. I literally just throw on some CC cream, highlight, and a little bit of bronzer, and I'm done. I don't wear anything else. So if you are choosing what you want in your box, you can go ahead and choose this one, or you also have an option of getting a Tarte eyeshadow palette, which has 6 shadows, and it comes with a liquid eyeliner from Tarte as well. Okay, the next thing that I see here is this full-size product as well. This is the Orlando Pito Play Hair Protection Spray, which is definitely a must in the summertime. This is valued at $34. I am someone who styles my hair in the summer, but even if I don't, I'm constantly outside and I don't want the sun damaging my hair, so I will definitely be trying this out. Oh wow, and this smells so good too. It kind of smells like grapefruit. Oh, that smells amazing. This is so aesthetic too. So this is the Forino Luna. I've heard of this before. This is like one of those vibrating like scrubs for your skin. If you are new on my channel, I do so many different like skincare videos on like how to get rid of acne and all that kind of stuff. So this is definitely something that I really wanted to get my hands on. Basically, this is powered by Bluetooth technology, so you guys can connect it to your phone. I think it's like through an app or something. And then you just answer like a bunch of questions about your skin. So basically you just apply some cleanser to this, and through the app that it connects to, it actually like reads your skin's moisture, and it kind of like detects what your skin needs, and then it does a cleansing cycle based on all that information, which I think is so cool. I really wanted to try this out. They recommend to use this every single day in the morning and the evening. I'm not someone who cleanses my face in the morning, but in the evening after makeup, it is definitely something that I would try out. It's valued at $89, which is amazing, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. Going on ahead, the next thing that I see in here is a sunscreen. Well, I'm assuming it says SPF 50. It's a broad spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen from the brand Kula. I've actually never heard of it, but I'm really excited to try it out. You guys know how crazy I am about skincare, and it is so important to have sunscreen on your face. I actually wear the IT Cosmetics CC cream constantly because it has SPF 50, but for days that I don't want to wear a tinted moisturizer, I would definitely try out this sunscreen. And it says here that it is 80-minute water resistant, which is awesome because every single time I have to load up on sunscreen, I'm definitely somewhere where I may get wet and splashed on and all that kind of stuff. And this sunscreen is valued at $32, and it is a pretty good size. It's perfect for traveling if you guys are taking that with you. Next thing I see here is a cute little wallet, I'm assuming? This little wallet is so cute too. It is the Minor History Postscript wallet, and it's actually perfect. In the summertime, I'm constantly going places where I don't want to carry a purse, and this is just like a cute little kind of pocket holder where you guys can keep like all your little cards and stuff inside, or if you want to just take some cash with you and be on the go. It's pretty awesome because it has like a little wristlet here, and I really like that. That's so cute. This little wristlet is a $20 value if you guys were curious. Ooh, more skincare. You guys know I love skincare. So this is actually a pretty big jug of the Jabonera Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. That sounds awesome. So it says that it's a luxurious body treatment which is made with natural ingredients which work together to exfoliate, condition, and hydrate all at once. I've actually never tried a body caviar before, but I heard many great things about it. And it says that it should be used in the bath or the shower and just massage it into wet skin, gently scrub and rinse it off with warm water. This has a pretty strong smell. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan, but in the shower I don't think it's gonna be so noticeable. But you guys probably can't see it because it's dark, but you could tell that it has like a grainy black caviar texture in there, and it has like a bunch of oils and stuff also. The ingredients in here are definitely great. I see sea salt, honey, a million different types of oils, aloe vera. Oh my gosh, there's so much good stuff in here, so I will definitely be excited to try this out. And now the last little thing that I see is from Pier 1 Imports. I feel like it's probably a decorative. Yeah, oh my god, perfect! It's like a little decorative plate, which is marble and rose gold. You guys know I actually love marble and rose gold. I have a video where I transform my entire bathroom into like a DIY marble rose gold bathroom. I'm so obsessed. This is a Pier 1 Imports marble ring dish. So this is really perfect if you guys want to put like little rings or something in here. It's really cute. Or you could put keys. Pretty much any little dainty jewelry would look so pretty in this. It's just fully marble and has like a little rose gold trim right around, which is such a cute little accessory to get in this box. I love that. Okay guys, so that's my entire FabFitFun Summer 28 unboxing. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are watching this to see what you're gonna get in your box, then let me know down below. Or if you are possibly curious in getting one of these boxes for your own and you do want to save a little bit of money, I have a code for you. It's Haley10. You can just use that on FabFitFun.com to get $10 off your first box. Again, I'm not getting commission for it. I'm not getting paid for it. I just wanted to give it to you guys so you guys can get all of these goodies for $40. And I'm telling you right now, this is obviously probably my favorite because I love adding makeup palettes to my collection. And the fact that this palette itself costs $45, it is so worth it to get the entire box. I'll have all the links for everything down below along with my coupon code if you do want to use it. Thank you all again so much for watching. If I am a new face to you, then hi, my name is Haley. It is so nice to meet you. I would really love it if you subscribe and join our amazing family. Be sure to check out my other videos because if you did like this one, you'll probably like my other content as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you forever and always, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye!